What's up guys, TheGearChange here back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be installing some new floor mats for the little XR4. Now, it's not a super exciting video, but I will do my best to let you guys know where I got them, how much they cost, whether it's worth doing to your car. The next sort of install or two will sort of be a bit more exciting. I have a custom made fire extinguisher bracket that'll sort of match what's in the XR5 for the Fiesta, and I also got a 3D printed air scoop from a gentleman off of Facebook. So he 3D prints parts, I believe, out of the Czech Republic, which is pretty sick. So don't know if any other Fiesta owners in Australia will have the scoop that I've got, but I will leave a link to it down below when I make that video. But yeah, let's unbox them. Now, the mats that are currently in the car aren't exactly terrible. But, yeah, you know, I'm trying to sort of spruce up the interior as much as I can. I do have a few other little bits and pieces that are on the way that are custom made for the car, because I sort of want to get it to a point where it's not necessarily, I'm not going to say my own, but sort of customized to my taste, where I can sort of make it a bit like the Focus, where it's slightly unique from other builds or cars. So I've got a custom piece here for the steering wheel, as well as the gear knob on the way. I did look at getting an aftermarket steering wheel, but there's just not many options out there. I tried to see if I could get some out of the UK or other places, but by the time you add up shipping and tax, it's not really worth it on a car that's not valued super high by insurance, especially since there's not many of them. But yeah, so I have new mats for the front and the rear. The standard ones in here, I don't know if they are genuine Ford ones or if they're just standard ones. I don't see the word Fiesta written on them anywhere. I don't know if they've got Fiesta on them anywhere. I'll see if I can pull this one up carefully, see what it has. There's like a tag on the bottom. So, not looking like it. It's just looking like a standard mat. Looks like it's going to need a bit of a vacuum in here too. So, yeah, pretty basic, but yeah, these new ones should fit. They should be a direct fit. I hope they are. I believe they cost me $70 or $80 Australian with shipping all the way out of the UK. So that isn't too bad considering the price of everything at the moment. Some of these other parts that I've bought out of Europe, the shipping's cost more than the product itself. So yeah, bit annoying, but we'll give the car a bit of a vacuum and then we'll slap these in. You can most definitely tell that the XR4 needs a wash just by looking at these grotty rims. Anyhow, I had a look at the floor mats, pretty much didn't have any markings on them whatsoever, so don't know if they're just generic ones, no idea. Now, here are the fresh ones. Open it up. They're probably not going to look much different other than the blue outlining, and they're made of a slightly different material. Alright, here we go. 2002, 2008 Mark 6 with OEM holes. Should have about 4. 2 for the front, 2 for the rear. There you go. That's very nice. So pretty much identical to these old ones. They feel a little bit lighter, but the material's definitely nice and soft. So let's see if we can open this. Slide it in. Right, let's turn that. Turn that. There you go. Nice and soft. Definitely a lot better with a bit more colour. And I've got a few more blue accents as I mentioned before, so let's get the other ones in. Right, all of the new floor mats are in the little XR4. Really happy with them. They all look nice and flush. They all fit pretty good, especially for the cost. There were some other options, as you guys know, if you've been watching the channel for a while, I do have some custom ones in the XR5 that have the XR5 turbo engraving or logo from Matt Craft Australia, and I did consider them, but again, it's a pretty big price difference between what was, I think, yeah, like $70, $80 and $400 to $500. And at the end of the day, I think these don't look too bad. They definitely give the interior a bit more color, which is what I'm aiming for. I know that you can paint these as well, so I've thought about that. And also the cluster. I'm wondering if I should maybe do a video on the cluster, because I'm looking at changing some of the LEDs over. But something to think about. But yeah, either way, really happy with it. Came all the way from, where did it come from? The UK, and the fire extinguisher bracket is coming all the way from Lithuania. So I'm pretty much getting parts of this car from all over Europe. Pretty much nothing has been from here except for little bits and pieces, and obviously stuff at like Super Cheap Auto. But either way, really happy with it. I know it wasn't the most crazy and exciting video for you guys, but it is an addition, and I want to document as much as I can with this little car. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, another short one, but you know, I want to try and have as much footage on this build as possible before I potentially look at going to another car or another platform. I'm sort of on the fence at the moment on what I want to do with both of these cars. Obviously, I want to keep the focus for as long as possible because it's my original sort of car that I've done up and I've based the channel around. But with the Fiesta, I think once I've sort of finished doing everything I want to do to it mod-wise, I think I might have to move it on and make this the daily again, just so this gets some more content and gets a bit more love, and then potentially look at getting a Turbo Falcon or another type of hot hatch that isn't common that I can do some content on. So yeah, just sort of testing the waters at the moment, just sort of seeing where the car market is at, and yeah, thinking about ideas on what I can do next. So also testing different ways of editing my videos, because yeah, I know they're basic, but I feel like with a bit more work, they could be a lot better. So just gotta put the time and the effort in and smash it out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe, as it really does help me out, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.